Let's see how you can use AI-powered subtitles on Convay. During a meeting, you will see the main Convay meeting interface. If you click this More button, you will see the subtitle option here. Click Start Subtitles. Now you can select your preferred language. Convay supports subtitles in 30 languages. Then, click Enable Subtitles. Convay will start showing subtitles that are visible to every participant in the meeting. Let's see how Convay subtitles work.
Good morning, everyone. Let's continue from last week's topic on sustainable urban development. I'd like to hear your thoughts, especially from different perspectives.
Experience smarter online meetings with Convay.